Hello, this is Nathan from Graham's Auto and Truck Clinic. Today I'm pleased to present this 2017 Audi Q7 Prestige. If you're in the market for a 4 seasons touring SUV, then check no further than this 2017 Audi Q7 Prestige. The Prestige package is one of the top packages in the Audi family of vehicles. This vehicle provides plenty of room, plenty of comfort throughout the vehicle. As we walk along the exterior of the vehicle, you'll see that there's no major dents, dings, or scratches throughout the exterior of the vehicle. This vehicle has been well maintained by its previous owner. Some of the outstanding features on this vehicle include air ride adjustable suspension, factory trailer towing package, which does not come equipped on all Audi Q7s, so that is a particular outstanding feature on this particular Q7. Rear backup camera, navigation, digital heads-up display, front heated seats, second row heated seats, premium stereo system, Bluetooth, all the amenities you'd expect in a full-size, high-end European luxury vehicle. The third row seating is power adjustable, power folding. So if you have large cargo items, you can fold the rear seats by a simple press of a button. This vehicle does come equipped with the factory sunshade as well, so if you want to keep some items such as groceries out of the sun, you can utilize the sunshade package. Rear power liftgate, as you see. As we walk along the passenger side of the vehicle, again, you'll see that the exterior is in very good condition. Another outstanding feature is this vehicle does feature a full panoramic roof. The front half is a sunroof. Let's take a quick look inside the second row seating compartment. You can see the upholstery and finish work is in very good condition throughout the vehicle. As I mentioned, second row heated seats as well as HVAC controls. We do offer financing. We do ship vehicles nationwide. We do accept trade-ins as well. If this is not the particular Audi you were looking for or the particular Q7, we do source vehicles from a variety of resources throughout the United States, and we can source the exact Audi that you were looking for or a high-end European luxury vehicle for that matter. Power windows, power door locks, multi-contour power adjustable seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, cooled seats as well, navigation, electronic digital display throughout the vehicle, This will conclude our tour of the 2017 Audi Q7. If you have any further questions or would like any additional pictures, videos, etc., please feel free to give our sales team a call at 608-635-2393.